you going about all this pressure and stuff around how people like me harp on about how you gotta do video and how you gotta show up on social media? And it's just like, come on now, give me a break. Look, I'll be honest with you, I used to feel that way about social media. I used to really struggle with the fact that I have to use video. It's not that I don't hate it, it's just I don't like the technical side. I felt like there was just too much stuff to learn, and with everything else I was doing in business, it was just too much to add on. And then there was all the other issues around, whoa, does my face really look like that? Oh, my voice, is that how my voice really sounds? The thing is that it is important. When we show our faces on social media, it helps people build trust in us, and then they build more trust in our brand. It helps them resonate with us and connect with us in a way that they can't so easily do face to face anymore. And so it's really important to do it. But I wanted to give you a super, super important tip. Remember, beginners aren't perfect, and you will make mistakes. You should have seen the way I used to do video. I'm going to show you. I used to stand back here. I'd be like shouting at the back like this, trying to make sure that people could hear me. And honestly, it was pretty bad. And yet some people still converted to customers when I was awful. And I'm probably going to look at this in 2 years' time and think, oh my gosh, I can't believe you did it that way. Perfectionism is not a beginner's sport. So give it a go. Remove that expectation it's got to be perfect and just trust the process to help you get over it and do it well.